There you go. It's ready. It's delicious. I think we managed to make pretty good tzatziki. So it's tzatziki day, and we are making one sort of tzatziki. There are many recipes in the world for tzatziki, like for any other foods, and today we are using only fresh herbs, fresh mint and fresh dill, black pepper, salt for seasoning, olive oil from Kalamata area, natural Greek yogurt, of course garlic, and cucumber. How do you pronounce it? And basically, we almost forgot one important ingredient. There's conversation going on about should there be lemon juice or vinegar in tzatziki. I heard that the Greek traditional way would be to put vinegar in tzatziki, but I think lemon is the most popular around other parts of the world, and I have to admit that I usually make tzatziki out of lemon juice, but today we are using just a little amount of white wine vinegar. So what we have to do, we grate this cucumber and garlic into the yogurt and add seasoning and fresh herbs and olive oil there, and of course this white vinegar, and it should become a really tasty tzatziki, but we'll see what happens. So let's just put the natural yogurt in first. Then we grate this cucumber. And please don't peel this cucumber, because it has lots. How do you say it? It has more flavor if you leave flavor and structure if you leave those peels also there. And now I see that we need lots of more of that yogurt. Wait a moment. I miscalculated amount of cucumber. Let's make it that way. I have to admit that I'm not that kind of cook who like counts everything what goes in, what amounts, kilos, grams, liters, milliliters, deciliters. I'm the kind of cook who goes by the feeling, and sometimes gut feeling gives you amazing results. Sometimes it just don't go well. Were you thinking the same as I did? We need also more garlic. Because there's so much of that stuff right now that if we don't add any more garlic, then it won't be as tasty as it will be. There. Then let's cut these into little pieces. Our herbs. What I meant to say just right a while ago was that I don't measure these things too much. Sometimes, yeah, but usually not too much, and it has great sides and it has dark sides. But I like to, as I said, I like to cook with feeling, so this is my way, you can do it your way. A little bit more black pepper. Salt we don't need no more. Oh, then of course olive oil. Just a little bit. And that little amount of white wine vinegar. Actually, let's put just a little bit more of that. Yeah. Then we mix this. Yeah, it looks just the way it should look. If we wouldn't have put any more yogurt in this, this would be too juicy and watery. But now I think we have created pretty good tzatziki. But we don't know it before we taste it. Actually, it needs a little bit more of white wine vinegar still. Let's see what happens. So if you now ask me how much everything is in here, white wine vinegar, olive oil or stuff, I can't answer you. Maybe I should learn a little bit of that also. Yeah, now it's perfect. It's really good. And what we will do is that we finish it with olive oil. And fresh mint. There you have it. Beautiful, delicious tzatziki. And you can choose what you eat it with. It goes well with salads, every Greek food, chicken, you name it. This is delicious stuff and you can put it almost with everything. Not everything, but you get the point. It's delicious and I'm gonna feast with this tonight. A little bit of styling. Let's go with closer look still. There you go. It's ready. It's delicious. I think we managed to make pretty good tzatziki. So take the recipe, do it yourself and enjoy it with something Greek maybe. So, see you on next video. Bye bye.